What's up guys, I'm back and today we're going to be working on something a little bit different. I've been having problems with the Jeep starting. Cut to a clip of that now. Yeah, that's what I've been dealing with. So we're going to try and figure that out. I kind of have it narrowed down to what it should be. So I went to AutoZone and I picked up a new battery terminal and of course a new battery. I only got a Duralast. I wanted a yellow top, but just ain't nobody got money for that right now. So let's dive under the hood and unplug this unplug the old battery. Alright, so what we're going to need to change the battery out is a ratchet and a 10mm socket. Good luck finding one. Alright, so let me kind of show you what's going on here. I had my battery tested, so we unplugged the cables from my light bar and CB. But as you can see here, my negative terminal, well, it's actually sticking on now, but my negative terminal was able to just be pulled directly off when it was tightened down the whole way. The battery tested bad, which is kind of crazy because I've only had it for about 2-3 years, but you know, so it is what it is. So you're going to go through and undo your terminal bolts. Mine are 10mm, it's normally around that size, and then we're going to pull these terminals off, lift the old battery out, and put the new one in. So now that I have the old terminals disconnected and kind of tucked out of the way a little bit, let me kind of explain a little bit more why I'm replacing this battery. I've only had this battery for about 2 years and it's already gone bad. The negative terminal post, you were able to just lift it on and off even when it was tightened down the whole entire way. So that's why I'm replacing that terminal. But right when I just unscrewed it, it was still tight. So I might not even replace that. But this is a Superstart Platinum battery. When I had the engine rebuilt at about 55,000 miles, I was having trouble soon thereafter with the Jeep actually starting. Like, it wouldn't want to crank or turn over or anything at all. Like, the battery was just completely dead. With this one, there's still enough juice that the alternator charges it a little bit while I drive, but if it sets for a long period of time, then it'll crank and kind of turn over like you heard in the clip, but it won't be able to do much after that. So the battery tested bad, so I'm obviously replacing it, but that's why. I would not recommend this Superstart Platinum battery. But I got the terminals disconnected and kind of out of the way, and there's 2 bolts that are on the battery tray on the bottom that are holding this down. So I'm gonna undo those, and then we're gonna pull this battery out. All right, so now that I have everything undone, let's pull this old battery out. These things never get lighter. All right, so we got the old battery out, slid the new battery in, and now we're gonna put on these felt washers and some grease. The felt washers are just supposed to prevent corrosion. I didn't have an issue with that with the last battery, but better safe than sorry. So now that that new grease is installed and these felt washers are in there, let's just reinstall the battery terminal. It's as easy as that. So I just tightened everything up, put the terminals back on, and as you can see, the negative terminal can't move anymore like it used to. I know I wasn't able to show you guys that, but I had tightened, like I opened up the clamp and then closed it back onto itself again. But the negative terminal is now tight, positive terminal is now tight, everything's hooked back up. So let's hop in the Jeep and crank her up. All right guys, so I'm back in the Jeep. Now, let's see if this thing fires up. Perfect. First try. So since I unplugged plugged the wires back in for the light bar and the CB, let's turn those on and make sure they work. Perfect. Light bar works great. And I gotta reach all the way up here inside the Jeep. Make sure the CV turns on. Perfect. We have power. So that was it, guys. A battery installation. So pretty basic, really easy. Some people know how to do it, other people don't. I was expecting to have to redo the battery terminal, and that's kind of what the video was going to be based around, but I didn't have to do that, luckily. I've never done that before, so. But I have this to throw into the parts bin if one of the ones goes bad on either the Jeep or the 4Runner. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you comment down below. It really helps out. Like the video, that helps out a lot too. And if you like these videos, I have a couple others on my channel. Subscribe. Think about subscribing. It's free. But yeah, hopefully this Jeep won't give me any more issues now and I can get to work reliably since it still is my daily driver. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'll link I'll have the link down below, or my tag or whatever, for Instagram down below. It's a page for the Jeep. So I was thinking about incorporating the wife's 4Runner in there. You can probably kind of see it a little bit, but we'll see. I just posted one picture of it when we put the new Method wheels on it. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, and share it with everybody you know. It really helps out. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll see you on the trails.